Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning a dream vacation and you've booked a fantastic property on Vrbo, you're probably wondering how to handle that all-important payment step. Today, we're diving into how to make a payment on Vrbo in 2025. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Vrbo account. If you don't have one, head over to the Vrbo website or app and create it quickly. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, search for the property you've got your eye on. Use the search bar to enter your destination, dates, and any preferences like the number of bedrooms. After selecting your perfect listing, click on it to view the details. You'll see the booking button. Go ahead and hit that. Vrbo will then take you to the reservation page where you'll review your trip details, including the total cost, any fees, and the cancellation policy. Double-check everything to avoid surprises. Now, for the payment itself. You'll be prompted to enter your payment method. Vrbo accepts major credit cards, debit cards, and even services like PayPal. Simply input your card details securely. Remember, Vrbo uses encryption for your protection. If you have a Vrbo voucher or gift card, this is the spot to apply it for any discounts. Once your payment info is in, review the final amount and click Confirm Booking. You'll get an instant confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. And that's it, you're all set for your adventure. A quick tip for 2025. Vrbo has upgraded its app with biometric logins and one-click payments, making things even faster. If you run into any issues, their 24/7 customer support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. See you next time.